How to switch to professional mode on Facebook. So to switch on the professional mode, all you have to do is first of all open up your Facebook app, and then on the upper right corner you will have the three barred icon. Tap on that three bars, and now tap on your profile, and here you will have a three dots icon right beside edit profile. Tap on that, and you will have a turn on professional mode option on the bottom. Tap on that, and here tap on turn on, and from here you have to set up your profile. You need to add a profile picture and a cover photo, and then you have to add your bio, and after that you have to add your website and social links, and then you need to create a new content to connect with your audience, and you have to add your details about yourself, and after all of this you will set up your profile. So that's it guys, that's how you turn on the professional mode on Facebook, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.